Hi everyone, this is Reja from Colortek, India. So this is our concrete finish which you are looking at over here right now. Now you are looking at plain concrete. Now suppose I want to add a layer of metallic inside. So guys, check this out right now. This is my new metallic Neocement sample. Over here right now you see nothing and now you see metallic. Now check this out on the floor also guys. So now you are seeing a plain color on the floor and now suddenly you just see a rush of gold flashes on top of this concrete effect panel that I have. So you can now do metallic gold finishes, metallic silver finishes. So what are you waiting for? If you have a requirement for any of these like seamless jointless floors, no one does metallic better than us. No one does seamless better than us. Neocement is your seamless product. Please specify it, all you architects and designers. Forget the word microtopping, forget the word micro concrete. It's Neocement. Nano engineered cement concrete by Colortek. Like, share, follow, subscribe, and stay tuned for more.